Excel's goal seek feature by definition allows us to solve problems on a function or formula without actually overwriting the function or formula using only one variable. For example, when I click in this cell here, it's my payment function and it's calculating my monthly payment based upon three different variables: my principal amount, interest, and also my term here, 50 months. What I'd like to do is I'd like to calculate if I can only afford $400 a month, how many months that would be. Now I could come in here and type in something like 40 and hit enter, and it comes fairly close, or I can use my goal seek by saying, look, in here I want it $400. Now if I type in $400, that ruins it because I actually overwrote the function here, which is taking into consideration my principal amount and my interest. So that's not going to work. Hit undo. What I can do is use goal seek and apply it to this cell, and through this little goal seek window I can actually set my value there without actually overriding the function, and it'll actually seek out how many months that would take as close as it can, or right to the penny almost, without again overriding the function here. It opens up another window where I can actually type in the value. It'll update the values for me, this being the one variable. So what it'll do is it'll change this variable and get as close as it can to that set value of $400 that I'm going to set in this goal seek window. So first click in the cell that has the function that I want to be able to change or apply goal seek to without overriding the function. Come up here, click on the Data tab, come to the Data Tools group, click on the What If Analysis drop-down arrow, and there's goal seek. The set cell here is F4. That's my function in there. That's fine. What value do I want to pull out of that cell? Well, I wanted $400. Now again, I'm not actually overwriting it. I'm putting it in this little window here, and through Excel's magic or programming, it'll actually figure it out for me without overwriting the function. Now what cell is it allowed to update to get me my final value? Because it's got to be able to change something. In other words, it's got to be able to update my months, because if it can't, then it can't give me my value here. So if I leave it at 40 months, the best it's going to give me is $414 because it can't change the months to get me close to my $400 mark, which is my to value. So I'll click in here by changing what cell. I can click its little collapsible dialog box, click in the cell here, hit enter on the keyboard to pop it back open, click OK, and there it is. The goal has been set. So it's set at 41.63 months. If all I could afford was $400. Click OK to accept it, and it's there. You see, the thing that happened is that if I type $400 in here, I lose my whole function. But if I want to be able to actually manipulate the function, I'd have to do it through goal seek, which would indirectly go ahead and mark it down to my final value here of $400, my result, by manipulating one of the variables, which is going to be months. And again, the definition of goal seek is to solve problems with only one variable, and that one variable was, out of the three here, my months. Could I use it for the interest rate or principal amount? Sure. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel, get notified of the latest videos, and for only $2 a month, you can have access to all my Microsoft Office training videos.